Boulder City, Nevada. Brought to you by LasVegasRealEstate.org. From the world-famous Las Vegas Strip, Boulder City is just 20 miles away, located close to Lake Mead Recreation Park and Hoover Dam. Boulder City has that small town feel due to its relatively small population of about 15,000 residents. Boulder City has a municipal golf course, a private golf course, city pool, racquetball complex, lit tennis courts, athletic fields, BMX bike track, and endless hiking and biking trails. Boulder City has been mentioned on several top 10 places to retire to, including Money Magazine. Enjoy affordable housing, medical care, and access to Las Vegas entertainment from Boulder City, Nevada. See available homes at LasVegasRealEstate.org. Search, save, and share. Search. LasVegasRealEstate.org offers the 3 most popular search options. First, advanced search. From bedrooms and bathrooms to community and school districts, you specify the criteria to narrow down your search and find your dream home. Next, map search. You choose the location, select the price range, and basic parameters to see available homes. The popular hybrid view overlays features like golf courses and lakes. Zoom all the way down to street level. Finally, mobile phone search. Geo-target the closest 50 listings to your current location and see listing information and property photos right on your smartphone. Save. Sign up online to save your search criteria and favorite properties. Receive daily updates and be the first to see new listings as they come on the market. Share. Share your dream home with friends and family on Facebook or other popular social media communities. With LasVegasRealEstate.org, you can search, save, and share. LasVegasRealEstate.org.